Hi guys, it's Christina with the Geocache family. Thanks for joining us on our journey. We are so glad you're here with us today. We are tackling a bird cage, the oldest and I. The younglings have been working on chores in school. She and I are both kind of a hot mess. She's over here, you can't see her, but she's over here, so that's why I keep looking that way. We're a hot mess. This week, for whatever reason, has been extremely bad on our joints. So if you take two halves and put them together, you get one functioning whole. So we're hoping between the two of us to get this bird cage done. We are trying to put the birds all in one row, one cage unit basically, and then individual cages on it, just so that we don't have them in her room and the living room, kitchen area, whatever. They are making a mess on the shelf unit they are in, or on in the other room. Their feathers are ending up in my coffee pot and my kettle. So we have to do something about it. So we are going to put them in there, and hopefully we can get them comfortable, moved over, and then we can downsize on some awkward shaped cages, because these are all just rectangles that come down in the stack. So it should look cute when we're done. We'll see what they think of it. It will be nice to have the doves out here again so they get more light. Now that Naya has Essie, the stray cat, in her room, she hasn't been able to let the birds fly as much because Essie is a stray cat and stray cats eat birds. So we have to bring them back out so that Essie will hopefully tame down some more, and then we can't really let the birds fly out here too much, but you know, maybe we'll be able to do something in the future where they can have fly space, or she'll just come and kidnap a bird and take them to her room and let them fly for a little bit when Essie's been put to bed or whatever. So that is the plan. We'll see how well we execute it with our backs hurting so bad today. So as of now, the cage is that brown box right there. So I haven't even opened the box yet, so hopefully everything's okay, because I don't know if we've passed the Amazon return date or not. Alright, we'll get started. See, now they can see why I was making faces and laughing at you, because you're down there doing that. Get up. Come help me. I can't do it alone. I need you. I need you. Okay. Let's get it out. I have to move our gate that keeps Hazel out of the office. Hazel's actually outside. She did not want to come back in. No, she's just sleeping in front of Dad's office, I think. Is it heavy or just awkward?
Awkward, there's no cold.
Does it say how much it weighs? Ooh, I hear clangage. Alright, let me move the set you guys here so you can watch our shenanigans. Move the cord so that we're not sitting on that, because that would suck. Oh, Burbs, you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna be happy. More light. Not so high up that I can't visit with you anymore, because I can't reach you. Okay. Oh, please be instructions. Please be instructions.
We can figure it out.
How's there bird seed in here already? Wow, look at all the perches. It is a good thing Hazel's not in. What is this? There's no instructions. This IKEA crap. Aw, look, it's a box of dishes. Everybody has uniform dishes.
I didn't know it came with that stuff.
Dishes, the trays, the dividers.
Oh yeah. They're all pieces.
Where are the cats at? They're missing an opportunity to get in a box. Huh, babe? Do you want to get in? You want to get in?
There aren't instructions.
There's not instructions at all.
Where's the box?
That's
They're
the
not-
box.
They're not at the bottom.
No.
Oh, that's
There-
gonna be fun.
There are no instructions
It should be
at
easy.
all.
Oh, come here. Come here. Goose. Come here. Look at this giant box. Look at it. Now look at her in the box.
Did she get in?
Yes.
Did you put her in or did she?
No,
get
she
in?
jumped in. She's checking it out. Do you like the box?
I don't think they're supposed to be.
So guess what? This cage came with no instructions whatsoever. Yeah, so they gotta figure it out.
Figure it out.
Figure it out. Figure it
Yeah.
out. Figure it out.
Do you
I
like
mean,
the
really,
box?
I just
Oops.
needed enough that they can't get killed by cats. So maybe we'll just flip this box over and stick it on the box that Okie is in. It'll get them so they're not. So I wish that trunk was here. We'll have to find something to stick them on just to raise them up a little bit. I think Hazel's tail is still going to hit their cage when she walks by. But if they're kind of tucked next to the fridge, they'll be okay.
Let's see it. It might fit.
Okay.
It's very thick.
Boyo, come here. Come help.
That's a lot of birds.
See, it goes back to the problem that they're too high to take care of. So TV
That's why
trays are
we
not
take
going to
it
work.
by two.
No, I don't want it by two. Help her put it back down, son. I'll find something else to put them on. Alright, move the TV trays up. For now, they'll be okay just on the floor because they're going to be up against the fridge. They fit perfectly snug, almost as tall as the fridge. Alright, cool. Alright, so one of the biggest things that you have to keep in mind when changing birds out of cages is to turn fans off. And you want to try and make it as dark as possible because they fly towards light. And sometimes they break their necks when they fly towards windows because they smack right into it. I'm not going to be able to get it completely dark because we got to be able to see what we're doing. But if I can get it a little bit darker. And it should help. When we transferred them into the cage with Dose, they, three of them got out on us. Okay, and they have made a mess. Look at all the shavings and bird dust everywhere. And I haven't been able to get there and clean the cage because it's heavy and it's high and it's tall. So now I should be able to clean them better. We're gonna split the finches, so we'll do 5 and 5. And then Dose, we may try with one of the doves. We'll see how it goes. She's so old. I don't think she likes the constant movement of the finches. And then we'll try Dose with the dove. And if not, we'll put her back in with the finches. Or, I don't know, she doesn't use all that cage. She's so old. And she just climbs everywhere. She came from an elderly lady that passed away. And she's ancient. I mean, we've had her over 10 years. And she was old when I got her. So her mate ended up getting cancer. It was Uno and Dose. Uno only had one wing when he was given to us. And he had to have the other one amputated, I guess, because of cancer. And I still had him for 6 years, 7 years, 7 years, 8, 9, 10. He's been gone 3 years now. So, all right, let's try it. Let's see how this goes. I would get Dosey out first. See, we already had one. Okay. Oh. Yep. I didn't see where the finch went. Oh, I didn't even know she was out here.
I think it's in the curtain.
Straight for light. They're so rotten.
So fast and tiny.
Yep. Put her on the top one. Is it a boy? Oh, it's a little male. All right. Hi. We're gonna try and make you guys not fight so much. You're trying to breed too much. It's okay. It's okay. There. Look at all that light.
You had it pushed all the way back. You want it?
Yeah, I did. Well, I mean, I still got to put a blanket behind it to help mitigate dust and feathers, but for now, let's get Dosey out first. What, Dosey? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God.
All right, Dose. I know. Put her down here for now.
Well, that was a dove one.
Right, we were gonna try her with Lila.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. She's mean old Naya. I know. What did she do? I think taking all of the perches down so that they don't have something to climb onto would be very beneficial.
Won't get in the way.
That too. Yep. What? We'll bring you some more wood perches in a second, okay? We gotta try and get everything cleaned up. Oh. A little bit. All right, old man. All right, put him in this one.
Tired.
He's like, I don't know what to do. Oh, the little females are so picked.
Maybe if there's less of them, it will be
Right, that's what I'm hoping. Oh, that was a good catch. Male and female.
Male. Don't screech at me. Which one?
It don't matter. We'll have probably, what, 2 males? 2 males in one and 3 males in the other. Because I think...
There are more males than females. You
Do
only
I?
have 4 females.
Okay.
So 6 males.
Wow. Yeah, the females are the ones that beat each other up. So having less females, I think, will be good. She got out the back.
How do you even do
She
that?
squeezed right through the... Where'd she go?
She's up here.
Oh,
Oh.
nice. This is why you are the wrangler.
Don't put your head through that.
That's the other reason I wanted to get them out of that cage.
Is
They can squeeze through the bars if they try hard enough. Get all the light, guys. What do you think? We can't put the two doves together because Lyle loves Lila too much. And Lila is actually a male also. So he wants nothing to do with him. But he's the one that our neighbors brought us. He's got a broken wing. Are you guys not sure what to think of each other, huh? I enlisted her to finish feeding the birds. I had to lay down for a second. So I'm laying on the couch while she's giving everybody fresh feed.
Who are you talking to?
Our YouTube peeps.